Alright guys, welcome to Dynamics 365. We're going to give you a tour a little bit around both the sales and customer service platforms within Dynamics and what they can do for you. Dynamics 365 is perfect for companies that are specifically medium to large in size. They are perfect for those companies that are looking to become a little bit more organized within their external and internal business environments, um, while keeping everyone on the same page. In a medium to large size company, keeping everyone on the same page can be very challenging, especially when you have many moving parts and many people joining and leaving your team at several different times throughout the year. Specifically looking at our customer service page, you can see a lot of very descriptive information. Information in which a person would be able to look at very easily and understand what's going on even if they weren't a part of the internal topic. As you can also see from the very top, it's very easy to create anything at a very quick and efficient rate. Moving into our sales part of our dynamics, it is the same exact thing, very easily and very user friendly of creating a new lead, going into an initial lead, going into opportunities, or even different competitors. Again, these are all very user friendly, and is able to keep your team very organized.
So we've been using two main hubs when we've been using Dynamics. So this first one is the customer service hub, and there's a couple different things that you can do. One of them is adding an account. So we've got a couple active accounts already. And if you wanted to add a new one, you would just go up here to this little plus sign, click account, and all you have to do is enter the name. So we already have a Jane Doe, so let's just do a John Doe. You can enter their phone number, who the contact is if your account name is actually the name of the company instead of a person. Then you could put your main contact here. And then if you know any of this information, you can add it in right now, and you can always edit it later if you get it as you build your relationship with this company or this person. And then you just have to save and close, and it will update, and it should be in your different accounts. Another thing that you can do in CRM Dynamics is looking at your active cases or even your closed cases. Cases are things that customers can write in and list if they're having problems with something, if they have any questions with something. They can just call you or email you or however they want to get a hold of you, and then one of your employees will write a report about it. So this is the only one that we have open currently, but if you go up here, you can find all of our previous cases, and you can look on this chart and it will actually show you the different teams or different employees and how many cases they have active right now. So that could be good for an employer to look at. So the teams that only have one or so cases open might not need as much help with something, but the teams that have 4 or 7 or 8 open, the manager might want to allocate more resources to those teams to help them minimize the amount of time it's taking, since they seem to be struggling to resolve their cases. So then we have the Sales Hub side of Dynamics, and the thing that I'm going to be showing you in here is the leads. Leads are basically your opportunities for business, or I guess they're the potential to create an opportunity for business. So we've got one here, John Doe. He wants to expand his business, and so we need to see if we could offer him a proposal for that. And so right up here we have the business process flow is listed in this little bar. And so stage 1 is qualify, and that basically means, like, is there a potential sale here? Like, is there something that we can do to help him with what he wants? And then stage 2 would be development, and that's basically just what we would be gathering all of the materials and doing the research to see that if we could provide a proposal for him, or maybe a quote or an estimate of what it would take for him to expand his business. And then we actually propose the quote or the proposal, we present it to the customer, and then stage 4 would be closing, and he either takes us up on our proposal or we're going to lose the sale. I'm just going to go ahead and put John through this process and kind of show you how it's done. We're just going to do this really quickly. So first, qualify. You're going to look at all these things. We've got his contact set up. We've got his account set up. We know when we're doing this. We know how much it's going to cost. And we've got everything we need to know right here, what his summary of what he wants to do is. So we're just going to go ahead and qualify him. Then we're in development and everything is also right here. We got to identify our stakeholders and identify our competitors. So we're just going to go ahead and mark those as complete and move on to the next stage. During our proposal, we're going to tell him who our sales team is. We're going to give him our proposal. We're going to do a review and we're going to present our proposal to him. We're going to move on to the next stage. And to close, we did our final proposal, any revisions that we had to do, and we came back and presented it. Then we're going to make a decision date. Let's say it's tomorrow. Then we're going to send a thank you and we'll do a file debrief. And then it's finished. And we can go ahead and close this as one.
There are many Excel templates that can automate core tasks, such as enabling sales to calculate commissions or manage forecasts. You can also use Microsoft Excel to do a quick analysis right from within Dynamics 365, eliminating the frustration, time, and effort required to switch between applications. So we'll go under Advanced Settings, and under Settings, into Templates, and we're going to demonstrate an email template. And we will do Contact Reconnect. So this is another awesome template tool that Dynamics use in the email templates. Right here is an email template that can keep emails consistent and professional. It ensures that the emails your employees are sending out are accurate, and it's quick by just changing the name in the template and then sending them out.
Today I'll be talking about the pricing on Dynamics 365. So the base package starts at $50 per user per month and goes up to $130 per user per month, depending on what apps you need for your business. That's an additional cost. I believe it is about $20 per app, and that's per user per month. Each package ranges from a complete solution for sales and an enterprise system, from just basic packages, being able to communicate with customers and whatnot. Along with Dynamics, you get the full integration of the Office 365 apps, including Excel, spreadsheets, Word, all those sorts of Microsoft apps. They're all integrated within Dynamics and there's no additional cost to the business. The Microsoft Sales Solution package is the best one they offer, which is $130 per user per month. And that basically covers everything from communicating, giving quotes, and all that sort of stuff, customer service wise. And the basic package is more limited. It has unlimited users, which is a very good feature for it, but it also has like leads and opportunities. You can create charts and graphs based on your leads and whatnot. Overall, depending on the needs of your business, Microsoft Dynamics is a very useful tool in managing all your customer service needs.